they used an old trunk to form the new pathway along this rock formation in the Rhodope mountains, Bulgaria. And here is the other old tree, other trunk tree, which is forming a little path, and it's so lovely here. I like so much such amazing pathways. And I'm stepping near the new tree. The new life is appearing on the old dead life. Nice. Little spruce trees, these are blueberry plants, and some view. Although we are nearby the panoramic, the so-called panoramic road towards Pamporovo resort, Pamporovo ski resorts. And check the pathway. My name is Hristo and I am an adventurer from Bulgaria. Specifically today wanting to find some amazing, specifically sized 20 by 20 or 25 by 25 inch driftwood piece for a customer of mine who ordered it. And I have a little bit more light before the sunset. It's near the sunset now. You can see light is going down. We are in the shadows already, but I have about an hour or something and a lot of pieces of driftwood around. I'm gonna look for some more and see the rock over there, Sokolitsa rock formation. This panoramic road specifically is scattered with these formations. Thanks for watching, folks.